Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. And today I think I gotta drive all the way to my mom's house and like spend a day there today. I don't know what I'm doing, like they're planning something. But yeah, I gotta get ready right now. My face broke out so bad, and I think it's because it breaks out really bad every time I drink like dairy products or eat dairy products. Like my face just freaks, and I love dairy products, but I don't eat it a lot because I know what happens to my face and like my skin. Yesterday was my cousin's birthday, and the day before that I went to visit my friend, and you know, you want to eat a lot of goodies and like have fun, and now I'm suffering the consequence. So yeah, I'm going back to my original diet, even though I'm drinking this vanilla almond spice, but it's with almond milk. Yeah, it's non-dairy. I'm gonna get ready. Please don't critique my face. I know it looks bad, but we're gonna look pretty in a few minutes. So I'm gonna speed this up for you guys. I kind of use like the same products because like I don't go buy a different foundation or a different like product. I don't have like different products every day, you know. When I run out, that's when you get a new product. Just turn the lights off so like the background just looks better, you know. That hurt really, really bad. Ow. I opened my eye when the person was going in. I'm gonna start crying with one eye. Oh my god. So I was gonna wear eyelashes today, but I just lost my eyelashes. What the fuck? This smells so bad. Is it just mine? Or like, it just smells disgusting. Anyhow, I'm wearing these natural Ardell, I think that's what you call them. I think that's what it's called, Ardell lashes. Pretty cheap and pretty good. Just let them dry. Practically the entire look. Alright, so I think I'm done with my look, and I hope you guys liked it because I love it. I've been loving this like peachy bronzy look lately. Anywho, there's music in the background, so I don't want to get copyrighted right now. So thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. I'm wearing leggings, and you know, like that, what is it called? Lint, I think it's what it's called. It's all over my leggings. Gotta go get that off. It's so freaking sunny.
Jewels.
Whoa, look at that highlight.
I can't see. Oh.
I wish this can like reverse the camera. Everybody just ignores me.
Aquele, mira aí.
So, Abby, we are in this brand. To me.